Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to have a look at Camel AI. Camel AI is a software which enables you to create agentic software or AI agents in simple words to accomplish different tasks. The major focus of this project is on scalability of AI agents. What this project believes in is that agentic software shouldn't be limited to one or two systems. Rather, it should be scalable, it should be adaptable, and it should be flexible. So in this video, we are going to install this Camel AI locally, and I will show you how you can create a simple AI agent with the help of it. And then it is your own use case, it is your own imagination or requirement. You can customize it, you can create whatever agentic software you like. One of the good thing about this Camel AI is that it works with Ollama. If you don't know what Ollama is one of the easiest and fastest tool to run large language models locally. I already have covered Ollama heaps of times, so please have a look. I'm sure you will find something around Ollama. Okay, so I already have Ollama installed by the way, and I will also show you. So I'm going to use Llama 3 model, and I will also show you how to download that model with the help of Ollama on local system. So before we proceed further, I would also like to thank Mast Compute who are sponsoring the VM and GPU for this video. If you're looking to rent a GPU on affordable prices, I will drop the link to their website in video's description. I am also going to give you a coupon code of 50% discount on a range of GPUs, so do check them out. Okay, so now this is my terminal where I'm running Ubuntu 22.04 and I have one GPU card, NVIDIA RTX A6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. First, let me create a virtual environment with Python 3.10. It also supports Python 3.11 and 12, but I have seen that it really works good with 3.10. So let's wait for this environment to get activated. Shouldn't take too long. And by the way, if you're not aware of what AI agents are, in very simple words, AI agents are autonomous software entities that perform specific tasks, interact with environments, and adapt to changing conditions. They are programmed to perceive their environment, reason about the current state, and take actions to achieve goals. So, and there are a lot of AI agents out there at the moment, and we will see how to create one shortly. So, I have created my Conda environment. Next, I am git cloning this repo with this head, with this version. So, let's wait for it to get created, and that is all done. I am also installing all the requirements with modifiable format, and this takes around couple of minutes. So, let's wait. And that is all done. Took fair bit of time this time, like 5 minutes anyway. So let's clear the screen. Let me show you my Ollama, which is already running. And by the way, if you don't know how to install Ollama, let me quickly take you there. Go to Ollama, click on download. It is ollama.com. For Linux only, you have to run this command. It will install the Ollama on your local system. For Windows and for Mac, just download it and next, and you should be able to install it. So I already have it installed, and for this it supports Llama 3 model. So I'm just going to say Ollama Llama 3. It is going to download the manifest of this Ollama, this Llama 3 model, which is just around 4.7 gig, a quantized model with low precision but still good enough. And then it is going to verify the checksum of this model. So let's wait for it to get downloaded and make sure that you have that much space on your system. Shouldn't take too long now. Almost there. And now it is verifying the checksum of the model. And there you go, the model is downloaded. Let's do Ollama list, and you will see that now I have the first model, Llama 3 latest is the one present on my system. So let me now show you how you can run it with Ollama. So I have just kicked up my Python 3 interpreter. First, let's import all the libraries which we have installed. So from the Camel, I am importing agents, messages, models, and types. This is necessary for Ollama. And then let's instantiate or initialize our Ollama model with this command. And all I'm doing here is I'm providing it that the platform is Ollama or the model provider. Model type is Llama 3, and I am setting some of the hyperparameters, like I am setting this temperature, which is 0 0.4. Temperature primarily is a hyperparameter that controls the output. The value is between 0 and 1. Closer to 1 means that model is more creative, and closer to 0 means that it is not that creative, and the value will be, or the output of the model will be more deterministic. Then you can simply assign any role to your model, and this will depend upon your use case. For example, you can tell it you are a call center agent or you're a sales agent, whatever you want your agent to be. So I'm just telling it that you are a helpful assistant. Then we can create a chat agent out of it, something like this, where we are passing it assistant sys message, our model, and then token limit, which specifies how much it is going to produce. You can increase it, but make sure that it is matched with the context window of the model, that how much it can deal with the data in a given point in time. And then you can just ask anything from the model, like user is asking, say hi to Camel, or you could just say anything, whatever you require. And then assistant is going to generate the response, and then it is going to print it out. So let's print it. There you go. So you see, now this is just a placeholder, so I hope that you got the idea. You can replace it with anything you like. As I mentioned earlier, it could be your call center agent, where you would have to tell it you are a sales agent or call center agent. Then user will ask it any question. For example, if it is a real estate agent, user will ask, are there any properties in this region, or something like that, and the agent is going to respond. So now let's create that real estate agent. So first I'm just, sorry, this is just, okay, let me fix it. So I have fixed the formatting. So you see that I have now asked it to be a helpful real estate agent. I'm not sure if anything like exists in the real world, but let's see. And then I am giving it a user message that, are there any properties for sale in Sydney for under $1 million? Another impossibility these days, unless you're buying a very rundown thing or maybe one bedroom unit in the outer Sydney. And let's see what this helpful real estate agent says. So it is generating the response, and let's print it out. There you go. So you see, it is saying yes, there are many properties available for sale in Sydney for under 1 mil. So you see, under one bedroom apartment. Okay, I'm not sure if that is true, but who knows. And then there are 3-bedroom houses like Blacktown. That is totally incorrect, I can tell you. There, so I have even lost my trust on this one. This agent is a real, I think it is a real estate agent who will say anything to get you the sale. My apologies if you're a real estate agent and transitioning to AI, but if you're doing that, really, I think good choice. So you see that regardless of the prices and the prices here, the answer is quite good. So you can just generate any agent, and then you can build a chatbot out of it. The agent would go fetch the data and then provide you can integrate it with your own APIs and stuff. I'm also going to make another video where I will be showing you multi-turn chat with this Camel, but that is a topic for another video, should be out soon. But all in all, I think quite a good stuff here which it is using. Also, let me quickly show you how much VRAM I'm consuming, as I'm using the local model here. I don't think so there should be much. There you go, only 6 GB of VRAM. So you see, with Ollama, with such VRAM, I think you can just create your own agentic software with the help of this Camel. And this GPU which I just showed you was NVIDIA RTX A6000, courtesy of Massed Compute, who are sponsoring the VM and GPU for this. That's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this Camel. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network, as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.